Hey ladies, so we just got through making this tutorial for this bloom bow. I wanted to show you how to make a smaller bloom but with a lot more ruffles. So I'm going to cut this down to 4 inches instead of 5. I'm going to fold it in half, just like the other one. You're going to need your needle and thread again. And just sew it straight down. Just like that. And as I said in the previous tutorial, this process right here is the most time consuming. Make sure that your strands are even. Use pins to help you or clips. I'm just holding it with my other hand. So we are almost to the end. Somehow managed to get a knot right there. On this one, I'm going to scrunch up, but I'm not going to scrunch up tightly. So I'm just moving it along, just like that. If you want to, you can scrunch it up more. It's just preference. And then I'm gonna grab the end right here. I have like 3 little things right here, and then I'm going to knot it. And pass my thread through. just like that. There's a little bug on I'm out in my shoe shed working. So then I'm gonna add some glue. Hold it. This cute little glue gun holder I purchased from A&L Display. It's been a lifesaver. So just keep on adding glue to the inside and wrapping your fabric around it. Just like that. I'm already at the end, so I'm gonna add some right here. And then I leave my needle and my thread attached. If you want to, you can get your needle and thread and you can pass it through on the side. Just another way to secure your bloom. And then this one is a little bit more bulkier, so if you want to use 2 felt circles or 1, or if you have if you don't have felt circle and you have a felt sheet, you can also do that. Press it down. And there you go. It gives you a much it gives you more of a more ruffled bloom. There's many ways to make the bloom, so just do what works best for you. And I hope this helps some of you.